What's up, riders? Today I'm gonna show you the setup that changed the way I ride. If you're riding a Honda Rebel or any cruiser, stay tuned because this combo is a total game changer. Let's start with the Sissy Bar. This is the Iron Born Blade Sissy Bar. Slick, minimal, and tough. Made from high quality steel, powdered coated in black, and designed to match the Rebel's aggressive look. The installation is straightforward, bolts directly into factory mounts with no crazy mods. Took me about 30 minutes with basic tools. And yes, that rack folds down and locks solid when you need it. Now check this out. This is Viking Bags 45-liter tactical CC bar backpack. Massive storage, rugged straps, water-resistant shell, plus multiple compartments for tools, tech, and gear. And when I say 45 liters, I mean I can pack a full weekend setup, clothes, camera gear, tools, even my laptop. No problem. Mounted on the CC bar, this bag locks in with quick release buckles, tight and bounce free, even at 80 miles per hour. It hugs the bar securely and the padded back keeps it comfy. There's zero wobble, and the whole setup actually improves comfort for a passenger too, giving them a bit of back support. Whether you are commuting, camping, or just riding out of town, this combo gives you freedom and function. Pulls up somewhere, unclip the bag, throw it on your back, and you're good to go. No drama. So yeah, if you're riding a Honda Rebel or any cruiser and need clean, durable storage, I highly recommend this setup. The Iron Born Blade CC bar with the foldable rack plus Viking's 45-liter tactical backpack is tough, practical, and looks badass.